Let's go.
Alright guys, we're back up here at this new job, and this morning we got most of these footings poured. You can see these four along this side. These were just holes we did not have to make. Well, actually, I take that back. We made the boxes for them, but we did not have to use them due to the height of them. The elevation, it's hard to pick it up on camera, but it really drops off as you go away from the house. So as we get farther and farther down the house, obviously they're higher up in the air. So all of our footings are at the same level. When we got down to this one, we still had to finish making this one. So we brought the guy around the side and we ended up running out of concrete here. So made it all the way down here, and then we got this one poured and we ran out of concrete. So unfortunately, somebody dropped the ball on the measurements for the yardage. I think the yardage was measured based off the size of the holes without these boxes around them, and as you can tell out here we're like 3 feet up in the air. So that is quite a bit more concrete than we were planning for. So we had to get another truck, which is coming tomorrow afternoon. I think they said 2 o'clock tomorrow, to finish 1, 2, 3, 4 footings over there. The rest of these are all poured. Super loud compressor. Moving in here, we have most of the windows in. I think all of the first floor windows are in. They might have been in yesterday. We have a few more going in up here. This closet got framed yesterday. They're just throwing the header in right now for the doorway, but this bathroom is so much bigger like this now. You can fit everything. We moved the shower over here, cleaned up the framing on the corner there, so now there is plenty of room. You can see where the shower was before. It makes much more sense to put it over there, put our toilet there, and then the vanity layout somewhere here. You'll have a tub centered on the window here, so a lot more room when you come into the bedroom here. We just have to talk to the homeowners and figure out what they want to do for this shower. We're thinking half walls with glass panels, that way you can see in and out of the shower the entire time. But I'm gonna get that header thrown in, and then I picked up 2 more rolls of this high temp weather watch to finish up this side of the roof. We ran short the other day, so they're throwing down the rest of it, and then these windows can all get thrown in. But that is pretty much what we have on the schedule for the rest of the day. And then tomorrow we're gonna finish pouring these footings and possibly set some of the posts out on this side, because all of these are going to be completely dry by tomorrow. And this one's probably, yeah, that's pretty hard. It did leave a couple fingerprints there, but it is pretty close to being hard. So all of these we can get the posts in. I picked up 13 10-foot 6x6s, and I picked up post bases as well. They're sitting on the ground over there, so we can finish pouring the footings and possibly get the post set around the front and this side of the front porch here. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.